A very good
So,
morning
hi
to all.
everyone. A very good afternoon to all. So,
Regarding
I'm
me,
Dr.
I'm Dr.
Nitika
Nitika
Thakur and I'm
Thakur, and I'm
working as
working as
assistant professor
assistant
in the
professor
Department of
in
Biotechnology,
microbiology
Sholini
in the
University, Solan,
Department of
Himachal Pradesh.
Biotechnology in
So,
Shulin
my today's
University, Solan.
topic
So I
is
belong to Solan,
endospores. So,
and
I call it
I
as a
am
tough task
attending
and a shield
this
to harsh conditions
very
because the
important faculty
bacteria who
induction
owns
program.
this
This is my
property of
first
endospores,
virtual
because we
induction
know
program
regarding our
which I am attending,
natural
and
vegetative spores,
it
but
has been
do
like
we
it has
really know about
started
these
in
harsh
February
spores?
month, and
Yes,
it will
these are
end
an
up in
advantage to
March
the
probably.
bacteria who are
So it
having
is a
it.
1 month
So
induction
if we
program,
talk
and
about
regarding
endospores,
it,
we know that
it is the
endospores
seventh
are
online
those
induction training and
spores
the
which are
orientation
formed
program
internally.
for
Then
faculty
that's why that
members
name
in
comes out,
University
that is
Colleges
endo.
Institutes of
And
Higher
it is
Education
basically
under the
those
aegis of
spores
your
which can
Ministry of
help the
Education,
bacteria to
sponsored
survive
by
under
Pandit Madan
any
Mohan
harsh
Malviya,
condition. That
National
may
Mission
be
on Teachers
fluctuation
and
in
Training.
temperature, that may be
So thank
fluctuation in
you for the
pressure conditions,
organizers,
or
because it's
dormant
very
stages. So that
useful,
stands as
and
an
I found it very
advantage to the
useful because in
bacteria.
this
So if we
corona
come out
pandemic we
with the
were
structure of
unable to
endospores, so
attend the
basically it is
offline
a
induction
type of
program,
round
and this is
shaped
very important
spore which
program.
contains
As a
your spore
teacher,
coat, that is
as a
the
faculty member, I need to
middle
improve
layer, you
myself
can
in
say, and then
certain
you have an inner
aspects
layer,
and factors.
cortex,
Like
and
I
finally the
learned from it,
exosporium,
like
that is
we
exine
need to
layer,
be well
and
equipped with the
internal to it is a
social,
spore coat,
emotional
cortex,
and
plasma
technical
membrane, and
background.
finally we have a
It is not
nuclear
only
body that
the
is known as nucleoid.
uh,
So we don't have a
walk
definite
of
nucleus
one
here, so we have a
pathway. It is
nucleoid
a
here.
holistic
And
approach
also you can
that
see
we
the
as
type
faculty
of
members, we as teachers
mother
need
cell,
in
mother cell
every
who is
phase
giving
of our
rise
life,
to a new bacterium.
because
So these
anything which
bacterium,
we earn, we directly
they
give it to our
have a type
students. So
of
that is the
advantage
this
over, they
induction
can
program. It has
survive the
taught
harsh
me many
condition,
of
and this is
the
due
many
to the
of
presence of
like
a type
the
of acid,
important
typical
things,
acid,
and
that
I
is
have
dipiclonic
improved
acid.
myself in
And in presence
every
of calcium
aspect.
ions,
So
it gets
it has helped
activated,
me a
and
lot in
finally it works
improvement.
under
So
the
I
harsh
have
condition.
just jotted
So this
down
was
the
all
type
about
of feedback
endospores.
here.
So
So
finally
it
we'll
has
be
been an
meeting
excellent
in the
induction
next
training
lecture.
program,
Thank you so
and it
much.
has transformed me socially, emotionally, and technically. So I am like now engraved with like social component, emotional component, and technically, if I'm talking, I'm equipped with the technologies which a teacher should like be equipped with. Then I have learned many tools regarding. I was not aware about quizzes and Kahoot, so it was an important thing for me that I created quizzes and I submitted assignments for that. I also generated brainstorming and growth and thinking process with various assignments, because on regular basis we were given assignments on each day and with the quizzes. So I was like very eager to see the next assignment and to submit that and to study that material, to read those type of reading materials which were provided. It was very useful, and to go through those videos of the resource person. It was an excellent type of program for me. Then also I loved to submit assignments on defined topics which were taught beautifully and expressively. Foremost, thank you the resource persons who were excellent and did justice to this training program. So I'm awaiting for the next assignment and the quizzes. And it was a very important program to me, because as a student I was learning and I learned a lot of things. So I was like regular giving my quizzes. It was like my childhood came back, and it was like with improvements and all. And all the quizzes and assignments, I thoroughly went through the video. Then I attempted the quizzes and the assignments. So thank you so much. Thank you the organizers for organizing this. And I want that such type of programs that should be initiated for all the type of faculty members, all type of staff, and also that everyone is benefited from it. So thank you so much, and best of luck for any other initiative.